Yeah. Good morning, guys.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah. I think everyone remembered what we learned. In other days class, long back happened. We discussed about what, guys? Spring Boot security, right? But we studied up to basic authentication where browser is generating the dialog box. But browser generated dialog box is industry standard for asking username password? No. So we need to think about form based authentication where we need to take form page for asking username and password, guys. That's the one thing. Next one. See, once your browser is assigned to one user, we are forced to close the browser in order to log in with other user, right? But that is not the case in Gmail. In Gmail, what is the case? In the same window, we can log other username. So if I provide logout option here also, come on guys, I can enjoy even that facility. That's the one thing. Next, you look at OTP. No, sir, not OTP. OTT model. You look at OTT. OTT means what? On the top, huh? Yeah, on the top. Netflix, Prime, all these are called what? OTT environment. They when you take a account, they allow 2 logins, 3 logins, 5 logins, right? I think Netflix allows how many logins? 5 logins. Concurrently in one account, 5 people can log in. Yes, that to condition. 2 TVs, one mobile, one desktop. Some condition will be there or not there. Definitely condition will be there or not there, guys. Okay. Web security configure adapter will not come when you take Spring Boot 3.x. You have to take what? 2.x. This is what called not listening the class properly. Okay, you have to take Spring Boot 2.x and we have changed that, right? That's the one thing. And Spring Boot 3.x code I will give once these 2.x explanations are over. To 3.x also we are going to learn. This is one thing. I want to control number of max logins, boss. Concurrent logins I want to control. That's the one more thing. Next, if you look at Facebook Gmail login, there is a remember me option. If you look at Facebook Gmail option, there is a remember me option or not, guys? Yes or no, na boss? Yes, guys. We must think about using that remember me option or not, guys. Okay. So we want that remember me option also. Can we start adding one by one? Let's start with form login. But good news is you need not to design the form, but you have an option to design the form by applying your choice, colors and other things, and you can configure that. That option is there. But by default, also one beautiful form comes, okay, which can be used for in a small applications, right? Because that only take care of displaying error messages and everything, boss. So now let's see what we can do in that. I think that day I used which one? 1102 ID or 660 ID? Which ID I have used, boss? Sure, I have used 601 1101. Where I created, guys? 110 ID? Okay. Yes, my dear. This is what? 1102, right? Click on launch. Okay. That's great. Lady is ready now. Taking time to boot. Fine. Whatever it is. Close all editors. Someone I think misguided me. Security application is there in this one. Boot security. Boot security. Guys, where is that? Boot MS is there. MS is there. I'm not finding any security application here. Boot MVC. Now you are saying a 618. Bapre. After wasting this much time, you are saying 618. Not fair, boss. Already these people are bringing laptops slowly to upstairs. Okay, let's not disturb this. Let's go for what? This one. Yes, guys. Next one. Where is that? 618. Yeah, launch it, guys. Close all editors. Where is that security, Rababu? Scroll down, scroll down. Yes, brute security is there na? Okay. Here pom.xml red mark is there, guys. Red mark is there, but we sorted out. Don't worry about the project level red mark. Okay, let me show the basic application now. Once right click, what is there? I think we have taken embedded server, external server. Anything fine. It is ready for both. I think it is ready for both. It's taking time to load, guys. It is definitely taking time to load the things. Okay. Show offers. Yeah, anyone remembered username passwords? Huh? Raja Rani. Raja one place, Rani another. Click on sign in. Current bank offers are loan approval, authorization failed. Other day we configured one error page na, but dialog box is coming asking username password. That is basic authentication. Is it going to work out basic authentication, my dear? No, we want to work with what? Form based authentication, right, guys? So now let's enable form based authentication by disabling basic authentication. Here is my what? Spring security. Where is that? What is there? 1102. Not that. We have to worry about common topics. Here what? Common topics. So there we got Spring Boot security, guys. What, guys? Spring Boot security. Tell me here, session 1, session 3. Session 3. Okay. Session 2 last portion not completed. Let me check that. Session 2, okay. We enable security, guys. No op also over. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, limitations of what? Basic authentication. Yes, we completed basic. Okay. Limitations of what? Basic authentication. Basic mode. The dialog box asking username password is what? Browser specific dialog. Browser specific dialog box. Right, guys? Okay. And it can be customized. What, guys? Does not allow to add following features: log out, remember me, session max active count limit, and etc. Session max active count limit and what? Etc. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity, my dear? I want reply, boss. Come on. Does not allow to add following features. Okay, fine. To overcome above problem, take the support of what? Form login. End.http basic gives basic mode of authentication. End.form login gives what? Form mode of authentication. We can use ready-made forms or what? Custom forms for that, right, guys? Okay, boss. Ready-made forms are custom form. Let's go to which one, guys? Code security config class. This is my what? Security config class. Here, what is the mode that is enabled, guys? This is the mode that is enabled. Instead of that, come on, everyone. And what is there, guys? Tell me, guys. Form login. Only the thing I enabled is what? Form login. Okay. Now let's see whether form login is working or not. Run on server. See the beauty. For every feature, one thing. For every feature I added, one internal filter will be created. And those filters will trap the request and will perform the actual thing. Show offers. No more dialog box, guys. Check it out. This form is enough now. If you design also, can you design better form than this? You can design, I'm not saying. Okay, you can design, but especially space management will come nicely. Okay, remaining page you can use for advertisements kind of thing. There's a possibility of configuring custom form also, but that's a waste of time. That's why I'm using what? This one. But I'll show what are the parameters you should use for custom form configuration. Okay, first wanted like I'll give wrong username, wrong password. Click on sign in. Bad credential. So this part also really great na boss. This part also really great or not. Giving error in a nice manner. Okay. Raja, other side what we got? Rani. Click on what button? Sign in button. It's working or not, guys? Current bank offers are home. Show account balance coming. Get approved loan approval for loan, right? Get approval for what? Loan. Simply try to get approval for what, guys? Loan part. It's nice na boss. Understanding my statement or not, guys? So this is my authorization failed story, guys. What story? Authorization failed story. Right, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. And HTTP basic. Use basic mode of authentication. Next one is what? Form login. Use form mode of authentication. We can use ready-made forms or what? Custom form. Sir, what is the property we have to use for custom form? Look at this. Form login dot. Form login dot. form login dot. Login page is there na boss? What is there? Login page. You can mention such a URL of the handler method that launches the login page or not, guys. See, specify the URL to send a user to login if it is required. If it is enabled security default login page generated when this attribute is not specified. Already mentioned that is specified. The URL specified, this is not being conjunction with what? Enable. Users are required to process all the things. So there are some conditions, guys. It must be HTTP post mode request. Must be submitted to what? Login successful URL. There are some URLs that fixed because this form submitted data should be taken care by whom? Security environment for validating username password along with authentication info provider. So you should take fixed usernames and what? Passwords. You should use, see, it should be username as HTTPS parameter. And what is this? It should be password as what? Password name parameter. So username, password are parameter that you have to take in a fixed mode. So post is compulsory, action URL is fixed, and username password also fixed. If not fixed, at least whatever you mention in other method call, you have to specify that one or not, guys. Okay, now I will raise one small thing. Login page can be there anywhere, boss. Anywhere it can be. How to configure custom login page? How to configure custom login page? Login form page for Spring Boot security application. What application? For Spring Boot security application. For Spring Boot security application, right, boss? That's full, boss. For this, we need to call more methods on the top of form login page, form login method chain. Form login method chain. We need to call more methods on what? Form method. Okay. Dot end dot end dot form login dot. What is this? Login page. Okay. Login page. Come on. Login page. Okay. What is this? Show login. Show login. Show login. Let it get into show login. The show login is the login URL, right? It is the login URL. This is handler method. This is handler method request path using which we want to launch the form page. Using which we want to launch the form page. It is the handler method request path using which we want to launch the form page. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super guys. When that is satisfied, what is the one I said? Login page. What is there? Login page. Login page. Look at the help boss, help up. Why help is not coming, guys? No, just now I got the help now, boss. What is that? Show login. Yeah. Hey, all of a sudden, just now I got na. Nothing help is coming. Okay. I will hard type it. I thought of copy pasting that information. So what I do is let's not worry about this. Okay, let's keep that one as it is. Next, guys, right click, run on what? Server, account balance, pay view source. See, guys, post is coming. For post is coming. Action is what? Login. Login is the fixed one. Okay, username, text box name is what? Username. Come on. Password text box name is what? Password. Like this, some fixed names you have to take, na boss? Yes, na boss? Right. In the user defined form page, we need to take following fixed things. What is there? In the user defined form page, we need to take the following fixed names. A request mode. What is this? Request mode post. What's the request mode, guys? Post. B. Request mode. What is there? Post. Next one. Action URL. What is there? Action URL slash login. Next one. Text box name. Text box name. Username. Text box. Password box name. What is there, guys? Password. Text box name login. Password box name what? Uh, like this, you have to configure the user defined. Super, guys. We'll come to remember me option in a moment, guys. Okay. First of all, we will see number of max session. Number of what? Max session. How many use, how many logins can be there parallelly? So, like OTT platforms you have na? In regular website, any number of times you can log in, boss. But in OTT, using same username password at a time, 3 users can be there, 4 users can be there, right now, boss? Yeah, tell me. That this one adds another filter to control max session for each user to operate the application. Place this line at the last line of the method chaining. What is that? Because this one returning nothing to add another method call, guys. So that's why you have to place what last line of the method chaining. So place this, guys, security config already there, semicolon. Here what is there? End session management. Okay, end session management. Yeah, end session management dot. Come on, end session management dot. Okay, maximum sessions count two. Okay, you can take three also, guys. Come on. Okay. Sujalanda, why do you miss common sense, Ra? Can you talk at the end of the session all these things? What do you expect, Sujalanda? I should stop teaching current topic and I should answer your question. Huh? Sujalanda, why you become like this? Day to day, you are becoming very crazy fellow. Sujalanda, offer is good. Okay. Offer is good, but that's not a great offer. If you don't have any job, join. But if you are looking for better opportunity, wait it. But we want more discussion, ask me at the end. Now first listen the class. Okay. Yeah. Maximum sessions, how much, guys? Three. Okay. Prevent. What is next one? Prevent. Max sessions prevent true. Max session to prevent true. If more sessions are there, prevent was. Okay, na? Right, was. Okay, but you listen, you have to add all these things only when form login is there. You cannot do all these things when form login is not there, guys. Yes. Right click, tell me, run on server, right click, run on server, right click, run on server. Yeah, here what we got? Show offers, Raja, next one, Rani. Click on sign in. Click on sign in. It's coming now. Okay. Raja already logged in, boss. In what? Chrome browser. One count is over. I'm opening Edge browser. I'm opening what? Edge browser. Show offers. There also I'm taking same old Raja Rani. Click on sign in button. This is also done na, boss. Fine. Next. What's the next one? Firefox browser. What browser? Firefox browser, guys. Say yes. Firefox browser. Trying to give the updates, boss. Yeah. There also I paste this one, boy dear. Raja, Rani. Let me click on sign on. Okay, post method is not allowed here. Okay. Refresh, guys. Show offers. That's coming. So this is already logged in, guys. Okay. Control Shift N. I opened Chrome browser in incognito mode, right? That means secrecy mode. Show offers. Once again asking username, password. Raja Rani. Already three logins are over. Now it's fourth login. You don't want to have other browsers. You can in the Chrome itself, one window normal, two more windows in incognito mode. Okay. Click on sign in. Max sessions 3 for this principal. Principal means not college principal. Okay. Principal means username, right? Principal means what? Username exceeded. Credential means password. Principal means what? Username. It is simply showing exceeded or not, guys. It is simply showing exceeded or not. I want reply, guys. Come on, everyone. Got the clarity, my dear? Super, guys. Yes, guys. So we enjoyed this statement, guys. Come on, everyone. That's great. After that, what next? After that, what is the next thing, guys? End log out, end log out, something else. End session management dot max session. This is done. Okay, now remember me. I will explain because some technical issue is there with that. Nowadays, this browser's updation is giving. Yeah. Now we'll go for logout. So why I need logout, I will tell. This is the Chrome browser. Show offers. Yes. Now I want to log in with other username. Until I close and reopen browser, it is remembering that user. Na? That means one window is dedicated for what? One user. But in Gmail, that is not the issue. Once I sign out, I can log in with what? Other username. So that's why, but I don't want to write sign out option logics manually. So for that one, don't worry. We have a logout option, boss. Okay. And logout. What is the option you have to use? Yeah, look at this. And logout. And logout. Code in UI page. href logout. Array logout one filter is added. That filter your identification is what? Logout only. So you have to provide a sign out or logout hyperlink having logout URL or not, guys. Adds another filter providing sign out activity having URL with what? Logout. By default, this can be changed with additional code. You don't want to use logout as the URL. You want to use what? Sign out. Something else. Then you can write what? Logout request matcher, new ant patch request matcher sign out. If you want to change the URL, you want to enjoy with the default one, no tension. You want to enjoy with the default one, no problem. That is logout, guys. Come on. You want to change that one, sign out. Okay, we'll see that part also. First, we'll go for default one, guys. First, we go for default one. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Understanding my statement, guys. I want reply, guys. Okay. Now, let's go for security config. Here, not as the last one. After form login, I can say and what is this? And log out. What is there, guys? And log out. Any problem, guys? Dot is missing. end dot logout. Simply what is there? End dot logout. Why error is coming, boss? Error should not come. Maybe I have not saved it properly. Now saved it, guys. Right click, guys. Come on. Run on server, guys. What is there? Run on server, guys. Come on, everyone. Show offers. What is this? Raja. What is next one? Rani. Click on sign in. Click on sign in. It's working. Okay. But I want to provide log out option, right? I want to provide what option, guys? Log out. Sir, why it has opened in internal browser? Because I selected internal browser. Okay. And one more thing is there. Yeah, I added logout. That's fine. It's working. But I forgot to provide logout hyperlinks everywhere, na? Because in every page I have to write logout now, boss. Then when you click on logout hyperlink, the real logout operation should take place, right, boss? Then only the real logout operation to take place or not, guys. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Yes, yes. This is security config now, boss. Right. Now go to what? JSP pages. What pages? JSP. Right, guys. Now tell me here. Next. SRC main. What is there? Web app. What is there? SRC main web app. Where is that, guys? Show balance.jsp. What dot JSP? Show balance.jsp. Here is what? BR. What is there, guys? Show balance.jsp. Here is what? BR. Okay. href. What is there? Log out. Log out. href log out, log out. Copy this, guys. Same thing I have to do in other pages also. Show balance.jsp. Yes. BR. Right. Loan approved.jsp, guys. BR. That's great. Right, boss? Next. What is the next one? What is the next one? Log out. Show balance. This is done. Log out. Show offers. This is done. Log out. That's great. Now log out option is working or not working or that we have to check. Right click. Run on server. Right click. Run on server. Show offers. Raja Rani. You will get offers page, right? Home. Account balance page coming. But home. Get approval. Access denied is coming. this website is denied access or not, guys. So what I want to do here, 1 minute. Why it is using this browser? Let me use what? Chrome as the default browser. Let it be. Okay, but before that, see, account balance authenticated. Now I am using what? Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. Okay, now it is giving me to chance to log in again. Na? Who is the user who got permission to third hyperlink, guys? Suresh Hyderabad, Delhi. Suresh Hyderabad. You are mugging up username passwords also, na boss. Suresh Hyderabad. Welcome to Spring Security. Now you observe, you got authorization to that page, na boss. Again, log in, log out. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. Raja, come on, guys. Raja Rani. Click on sign in button, right? Show offers, home. Account balance, home. Okay, what is next one? Get approve loan. Get what? Approve loan. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Come on, everyone. Yeah. This is what we need to focus, guys. Yeah, here is the logout option we are having, a boss. So you try this, how to keep custom URL for sign out. You have to do this option. Yeah, internal session management, guys. How it is working out? If login successful, it create a new session. Internal it uses what? Request.get session or get session true method. In Serlet classes, you studied all these things, right? To access existing session, get session of false. To stop or invalidate the session dot invalidate, right, boss? To specify max inactive interval period for a session. What is that, guys? Session dot max inactive interval of what? 20. Array, maximum time it will, if session is idle continuously for certain amount of time. Come on, guys. If session is idle continuously for certain amount of time, the session will be invalidated. For example, after login to bank website, you are continuously idle for what? 10 minutes. Then you try to do something in the web page. And again, it will ask to rejoin or not, guys. First, it will give a message, session expired. Then it will make you to rejoin or not, guys. Definitely, it will make you to rejoin or not. I want reply, my dear. Super, guys. Sign out, which is nothing but log out. Request dot get session of true is there. True is there or not there, boss. That's great, guys. Next one. I want to use remember me option. Yeah, what is the problem if remember me option is not there? You only check it out, guys. What is the problem if remember me is not there? Right click, run on server. Right click, run on server. Right, boss? Here is what? Show offers. Raja, what is there? Rani. Click on what button? Sign in button. What button, guys? Okay. Sign in button. I copied this URL, guys. Right? I copied this URL, closed the browser, open the new browser, right? Press enter key. No, new browser means same Chrome browser only I used. Or this one. Which one I closed, guys? Chrome only, na? Okay, I'm assuming Chrome only I close. Once again, I'm opening what? Chrome browser. Paste. What is there? Offers. What is there, guys? Offers. Raja. Next one. Rani. Click on what button, guys? Sign in button. Click on what? Again, it is asking me to log in now, boss. Check it out. Close it, open it. Yes, this save paste, enter key. What is this, guys? Enter key. Again, asking me to log in. Why should I log in? Same URL, na? Same URL. You should allow me to remember on this computer, right? In Gmail, Facebook, that is there, na? If that is the case, every day I have to log into Facebook, boss. Am I logging? Check it out. Every day, what I am doing? I go there, click on the tab, click on it. I will get my Facebook page here or not, guys. Am I? It is asking me to log in. That means it is remembering me on this computer forever. Okay. That is because of remember me option that I have selected during login activity, guys. That's purely because of what? Remember me option that I have selected during boss. Yes, I want that. I want that facility. I want that facility, guys. Okay, now let me try that, boss. First, go to security config class. What class, guys? First, go to what? Security config class. Go to security config class. And what is this? And remember me. What is the option we got, guys? And remember me. Are you getting my point? Yes or no, na boss? Come on. Yes. Right click, run on server. Yeah, below the form page, now you will get a checkbox. Below the form page, you will get a checkbox. Show offers. Raja. Nowadays, it's not working properly, but I'll try to show. Raja, remember me on this computer. This is the problem. Actually, after selecting it, it should get into the application, right? But it's just showing what? Username. But without that, it's working properly. Check it out. So some problem in the server level was not, don't blame yourself. Raja Rani. Now it's working properly. When I select remember me, come on. When I select remember me, Raja Rani, select it. So problem I not from my side. From the facility itself, some issue is there. Okay. Try on your own. If not working, don't think much. Don't think much on it. Okay. Na? Fine. So that is about what remembering. But one thing you notice, guys, the big features what we used to enjoy earlier. Now we're able to do just like that with one method call. It is definitely simplifying your life or not, guys. No doubt in that. It is definitely simplifying your life or not, guys. That's great.
This
File
meeting is
open.
being recorded.
File open. Followed by that, what is there? What is industry standard? Form login only, not the basic mode of authentication. But you can design your form page according to your choice. Yes. Where is the topic, guys? Common topics, right? Yes. What is the topic, guys? Common topics. Followed by that, what? Spring Boot security, right, boss? Spring Boot security. Okay. Session 3. Session 3. Yeah. Before going to use property file database as authentication info provider, I want to use this AND matchers. AND matchers while writing this URL authenticated, this URL as any role. So there are some improvisation that we can do, guys. There are some wildcard characters that we can use. I'm talking about that. AND matchers in Spring Boot security. What, guys? AND matchers in Spring Boot security. Yeah. What's the first one, guys? Concentrate. In Spring Boot security application, every URL, nothing but request path of handler method, must be configured with what? With the security using permit all, authenticated, or has role, has any role. For this, we need to use what? AND matcher concept. Must be configured with security using either this. Come on. Yeah, case one. I have a controller class having how many methods? Register customer, delete customer, update customer. This is the global path. Customer is the global path. Customer is the close path. Right. To match with multi-level path, we can give what? Path star star like slash customer star star. Guys, slash customer star star. Slash customer star star in what? AND matcher. Array, how to write this one? Slash customer slash register slash customer slash delete slash customer slash update, right? This is what we need to write now, boss. Come on. Slash customer slash register. But I want to apply something, some authentication or authorization on all the handler method. Is there any need of writing multiple times? No. We can happily write what? Slash customer star star star, not single level matching, multi-level matching, sub matching also. Customer slash X slash Y also it will allow, boss. Customer slash X slash Y also it will recognize and allow, boss. Is it not interesting, Rababu? Come on. To match with multi-level path, we can give what? Path star star, right? Multi-level path like customer slash register, delete, update, register slash ABC, update slash type. Has role manager. Only manager role authenticated users can access the web pages whose URL starts with what? Slash customer and maintains what? Multipath. Simply literally maintains what? Multipath. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. AND matcher path, single level path, guys. This is single level path. Case 2. Register customer, register product. Next. Register faculty. What is that? Register customer, register product, register faculty. We can give AND matcher using what? Slash path star pattern or not, guys? What is that, guys? Slash path star pattern or not, guys? I want reply, guys. Super. Tell me. What is the common word everywhere? Register is the common word. Can I say it as register star? Come on, my dear. Can I say it as register star? Come on, my dear. And matcher register star has any role. So matches register customer, register product, register faculty. It matches multiple things or not, guys? Super. What's the next one, guys? Multiple URL can be given in single ant matcher expression. Version 1. Ant matcher slave has role manager. Update has role manager. Delete has role manager. What's the one thing you noticed, guys? Multiple request path dealing with what? Same authorization, right? As role means authentication is there, plus looking for same authorization. What do you say, guys? It's definitely looking for what? Same authorization. Agree with me, guys? It is definitely looking with what? Same authorization. So now have a look, guys. Version 2, improved code of version 1. Dot and matchers slash save slash update slash delete has role manager. What, guys? Has role manager. Convinced with me, guys? Convinced with me, guys? Come on, everyone. Array, same authorization role na. Instead of writing multiple times, we are simply writing what? Only for one time. We are simply writing what? Only for one time. Yes, guys. Version 1, version 2. Improved code of what? Version 1. Right, guys? Come on, everyone. Yes. Version 1. Ant matcher save has role. Ant matcher update has role. Ant matchers delete has role. That can be written in single line, na boss? That can be written in single line. Are you getting my point? Case 4. Leftover request URL can be identified and mapped using what? Dot any request expression. What, guys? This is also another interesting aspect, na boss. Already we did, don't keep surprising faces, Bob. Yes, now we are keeping for leftover request, we are keeping what? Any request. See? Save, update, delete, report, upload, download, paging, info about us. These many request paths are there. For save, update, customer role. Report, upload, download has role. For remaining other request, any request authenticated. And that means what? What are the leftover here? Paging is not covered. About us is not covered. Info is not covered. What is not covered? Info is not covered. So definitely it is going to be authenticated or not, guys. Say something, my dear. Come on. Yeah, next one. Yeah, when actually I should write password as an encrypted password, right? But what I am writing there, direct pass. By using what? No op, right? But if I want to write encrypted password, real encrypted password, what should I do? I have to create encrypted password by using one or other encoder or encryptor. And I have to replace no op password with what? Real password, which is encrypted, right? Check it out. NOAA password indicate password is not encoded directly. It says NOAP encoder is used to encode the password. Initial Spring security is used to allow not encoded password. Later stopped allowing them. So to pass non-encoded password, we need to use what? No op. But we can use different encoders. Bcrypt encoder, base64 encoder, SHA4 encoder, MD5 encoder, etc. to encode the passwords. If you don't want to use no-op expression based no-op encoder, then we need to pass encoded password as shown below. So you have to encode the password and you have to pass it. So first of all, what I do is I will write one small main class with main method. Admin, why are you changing settings in the middle? Naresh IT admin, online team, please respond. Online team, please respond. Chicky become host. Really? No? Naresh Technology is the co-host. Fine, let it be, guys. Let's finish this concept first. Later entertainment. Anyhow, Chicky will come and give that entertainment for you. Right click, guys. Package, guys. com.nt.encoder. com.nt.encoder. New class. Password encoder. What is that? Password encoder. Password encoder. That's great. What is there, guys? Password encoder. Yes, boss. Bcrypt. Bcrypt encoder. Encoder is equal to new bcrypt encoder. New bcrypt encoder. Next, string pass1 is equal to encoder dot encode. What are the passwords we got? Rani is one password, right? Yeah. What are the other passwords? I think Hyderabad is also one password is there. What is there? Hyderabad also one password is there. Yes, pass2. Hyderabad is there. Next, Delhi is also there, na boss. HYD is there. Vizag is also there. Vizag. I think Delhi is there. Don't know. Only three. Rani, Hyderabad, Vizag. Okay, that's great. sys out pass 1 space, pass 2 space, next pass 3. Pass 1 space, pass 2 space, pass 3. Okay, right. Password encoder. You run as a standalone application. You will get encoded passwords here. Come on, my dear. These are the encoded passwords. Yes. First take them, guys. Take them. Copy. Take them and paste it. Here is what? First, cut it. First, cut it. Where is this? Say paste. Here we are passing password there na boss. Yes. Here we are passing the password there na boss. Yes. Here we are passing password there na boss. Oh, I passed same password. Yeah, there is a point. There is a point. Yeah, first. Let me pass the second password. Oh, second is there. Only two are there. Oh, that is already cutted. Sure. Okay. Okay. Done, boss. Next. Cut this. What is this? Cut. Here is what? Paste. Cut this. Here is what? Paste. Password encoder.java. Here is my what? Java application. Okay, passwords are coming, but when I pass real, but if I write only encoded password, not enough. I should tell it is used. These are encoded by using what? Bcrypt encoder, right? Otherwise, how it decode internally, Babu? How it decode internally, right? So before adding each username password, you have to specify password encoder, guys. You need to specify the password encoder or not, guys. We need to specify the password encoder or not, guys. Dot password encoder new bcrypt encoder. New bcrypt encoder. Okay, guys. Username. Okay. Dot user username. Dot with user. What user? With. That's great, guys. Up to this again I have to copy. Yes. Paste it. Up to this again I have to copy. Paste. Right click. Run on server. Yes, guys. Now, show offers, asking username, password. Raja, what is there? Rani. Click on sign in. It's working now. Though I am passing encoded password, it's working or not? Generally, in database everywhere, this kind of encoded passwords will be saved. Right now, I'm hard coding there. Okay. So they will keep encoded passwords, guys. In the database, they directly say encoded password and they don't reveal which encoder they have used. So when they don't reveal which encoder they have released, so it's impossible to decode, right? It's impossible to what? Decode. I hope you got the clarity how to work with encoded password. Check it out. Step number one, encoded password. We got the password, right? Yes. This is done. Next, always recommended to work with encoded password with a strong encryption. Do I need to encode password manually as shown in the above project? Definitely not. As part of user registration. Right now I'm directly showing authentication authorized. But basically before that user registration will be there. There you choose as password. Before saving into DB table, first we encode. Encoded one we save. So that's why there is no need of encoding manually like this. As part of user registration activity, password will be encoded or not, guys. Logic. We include having our choice encoder to get encoded password for the given password, and they will be saved to what? DB table. They will be happily saved to what? DB table or not, guys. Sir, temporarily I want to lock one user. What to do? If you want to lock any user temporarily, okay, there is something called, what is this? In memory, all this thing, account locked true. There is something called what, guys? Account locked true. You have to use account locked true. Security config, guys, where you have add user, there you go there. Okay, there you go there. What is there? Account locked true. Account locked or expired. Expired means no more. Locked means temporarily not working, right? Okay, account locked true, guys. Account locked true. Nice. Okay, now let's see. Mahesh user. Mahesh password is how much, guys? Mahesh password is Hyderabad. Vizag, Shura. Okay. Right click, run on server. Once authentication is over, you will get a message. Mahesh is what? Locked. It simply say Mahesh is what? Locked, right? Right? Show offers. Mr. Vadar, what's your problem? Can't you write in the chat box? This is also another mental guy. All of a sudden he becomes different. If you have any issue, please write in the chat box, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now tell me here, home. I think already open browser it is. Now I have to log out, guys. Logged out. Tell me what is the user now? Mahesh. What is that? Vizag is the pass. Shura? Yes. Click on sign in. User account is locked. Similarly, expiry option also there. Similarly, what? Expiry option also there. There you can say user is expired kind of thing. There you can say what? User is what? Expired or. Understanding my statement, guys? Fine. Few more discussions are there. Then same setup we try to work out in what? 3-point tags without extending from security configure adapter. Right? So today evening, if completed, fine. If not completed, tomorrow morning also session will be there. But listen, today evening if completed also, tomorrow morning I will keep the session for OAuth 2.x as a continuation of security. Okay, I will introduce what? OAuth 2.x. Monday evening, I will call for common topic both batches. I'll try to wind up OAuth 2.x, right? I think OAuth 2.x needs how many sessions? 1 minute. Tomorrow morning 7 a.m. session, yes. Tomorrow morning 7 a.m. session is there. Today evening, if this complete also, tomorrow morning we have a session, guys. No evening times are that are already decided and confirmed. And don't bring new story all of a sudden. That is done and dusted and all are prepared for that. OAuth 2.x. Where is that? Yeah, OAuth 2.x. Yes, we need two sessions on what? OAuth 2.x. 11:77. This is the plan. 11 is anyhow over. 7 p.m. today, 7 p.m. tomorrow. That is the plan. Yeah, 7 p.m. Today, 7 a.m. tomorrow. That's the plan, guys. Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll discuss later.